Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing fantastic. So, this morning on our Wellness Wednesday, we are going to chat a little bit about inflammation and hyperbarics. So, we're going to do a quick overview and then list out some of the ways that it can be helpful. So, in order to have an understanding of what's actually going on, we need to understand the process a bit to dive into it to see how HBOT or hyperbaric oxygen therapy can assist us in this way. So occasional increases in inflammation are key for our bodies to properly repair during physical injuries and infection. But research has shown that systemic chronic inflammation, also known as SCI, can lead to many diseases that represent the high number of causes of disability and mortality worldwide. These conditions can include cardiovascular disease, aka heart disease, cancer, diabetes mellitus, chronic kidney disease, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, autoimmune, and neurodegenerative disorders. Important medical discoveries have concluded that the immune system and the chronic inflammatory processes within the human body can be connected to more than 50% of all deaths worldwide each year. Chronic inflammation can damage healthy cells, tissues, and organs, which can cause damage to our DNA, which is present in all of our cells but our previously healthy cells. In addition to contributing to the development of illness, chronic inflammation can also be a symptom, especially like in autoimmune diseases like lupus or rheumatoid arthritis. Chronic inflammation can also result from untreated injuries like car wrecks, bicycle wrecks, sports injuries, or other illnesses, exposure to chemicals, pollutants, environmental toxins like mold. A person's lifestyle can also make them more prone to developing chronic inflammation, which will lead to disease. HBOT, also known as hyperbaric therapy, has been demonstrated to substantially reduce inflammation throughout the body. It drives increased levels of oxygen into the body, which travels through the plasma, which is what our red blood cells float in, which subsequently reduces inflammation and pain. So it can help accelerate recovery from sports-related and high-impact injuries, think car wrecks, bicycle wrecks, skiing. It can help reduce tendinitis, remediate osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. It can help relieve conditions linked to inflammation, reduces our risk of atherosclerosis, heart attack, and stroke, can help reduce our risk for cancer and progression. It supports anti-inflammatory processes at the cellular level by helping decrease acute and chronic inflammation. It helps increase our fibroblast activation, reduces swelling, increases our anti-inflammatory cytokines, and can help minimize pain and discomfort. Now, when it comes to the nervous system, it can help reduce neuroinflammation. It supports people who have had strokes. It can also help reduce the risk of Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. It can help, now when we talk about the GI system, our gastrointestinal system, it can help relieve inflammation there. So pretty darn cool, and it'll also help increase nutritional absorption. So all of this information can easily be found at the IHA.org. That is the International Hyperbaric Association. Really cool, great information, more and more coming out. It seems like weekly with the great things about hyperbaric oxygen therapy. So if you gals and guys have any questions or comments, please drop them in the video below and I will answer them as soon as I see them. Have a great day, Kalispell. See ya.